Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be creating a hamper for Holi in just rupees 500. So let's get started. For making the hamper, here I'm reusing an old tray. First take a vibrant color gift wrapper or any other glossy paper. Apply Fevicol on the tray and paste it very uniformly on the tray as shown in the video. Now take a long pichkari and paste it diagonally on the tray as seen in the video. You can here use glue gun or double-sided tape. Further, take 3 containers of gulal of different colors and decorate it according to your own choice. Here I am simply pasting flowers on the lid of the container and keeping it simple. I'll also be adding 2 disposable containers of balloon. All of these things costed me around rupees 20. Alongside, stick everything with the help of a glue gun. Further, we'll be using balloon packets which costed me around rupees 70 or 60. Further, I have pasted 3 packets of gulal which costed me around rupees 60, a small pichkari of rupees 50, some colors in the shade green and pink which in all costed me around rupees 135. Including the green and pink color, there are in total 9 packets. After pasting and assembling every item very nicely, we'll cover the tray with a nice and fresh gelatin wrapper. You just have to stretch the gelatin from all the 4 corners and secure it with a sellotape, and it's done. Finally, we will stick the pichkari diagonally on the gelatin. Earlier, we just did for the trial so that each and every item can be placed very nicely. Secure it with a sellotape. Now take a DIY paper fan circle, stick lots and lots of glue gun on it, paste it on one end of the pichkari. Also paste a tag of Happy Holi on it. Here I have also attached a mini basket and a pichkari of Radha Krishna on the long pichkari. It will give a really cute effect to our hamper. So this is the final look of our hamper under rupees 500. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. And for any queries, do mention them in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.